Hi everybody, I am Cora and I am the co-founder here at Rev, and I wanted to walk you through my clean beauty routine. This is sort of in my day-to-day go-to over the past 6 months. So I'm starting out with this amazing new brand Oio Lab from Poland. This is their E-Serum Pro Repair Anti-Blue Light Facial Serum. Mouthful, but very effective. So this is a very beautiful light serum that is great for protecting against UV rays, pollution, any of those blue lights we're getting from all of our tech. I am very conscious of those things working so much in front of a screen and living in central London. So this has been a bit of a lifesaver for me. And I love it so much that I've started also using the Oio Future is Brightening treatment with vitamin C. I am a mega fan of vitamin C in all capacities, but I've really been loving it on my skin, especially in these kind of winter months when things are just a bit cold and dreary, and I find this really gives me a super good, clean, natural glow throughout the day with actually, I'm not wearing any foundation or anything. So this is kind of my go-to. Don't waste any, put it on your hands. And I've already showered and dressed, but I'm putting this Costa Brazil jungle firming oil on my body. Francisco Costa, the founder, came on the podcast and oh, it smells so good. Talk to me all about sustainably sourcing this line from his native Brazil and using the Amazon rainforest to have an amazing sort of resource that is ethically harvested, and the ingredients are beautiful, the give back is beautiful. It's just an all-round amazing product. Unisex, my husband loves it too, and gives you again a very nice glow on the body. Sort of stopped wearing makeup just because why? But I do love a lipstick, and this is from our new lipstick brand Juni. It is organic. I'm a really big proponent of organic lipsticks. Everything you put on your lips, inevitably you're going to swallow a little bit of, and there are some very nasty ingredients in conventional lipsticks. So I try to think of my lipstick as just, you know, would I eat it really? So this is mega clean. Kiev Ice is my other go-to, but this is Juni in Petticoat, which I love. And finally, super simple, but this is Saint Rose Circa 91 perfume. It's our newest perfume line. It's very clean. Again, I'm really concerned about the sort of nasties that we've got in a lot of conventional perfumes. And I love scent. I think that scent is a really huge part of my day, and so I don't want to stop wearing it. But this is one of those brands that you can just feel good about. This is a very unisex scent. It smells amazing. It sort of smells like, I don't know, it's got a bit of oud in there. It's very kind of dusky. And I just find it quite a compelling scent to wear throughout the day. So that is my super speedy way to get ready in the morning. All of these products you can find on Rev and we'll link below. But I hope that you guys found this helpful, and I hope that it's inspired you to kind of think a little bit more about incorporating some clean beauty into your routines. So take care.